Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken tikka in a pan. First, prepare your chicken by cutting about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken into 1-inch cubes. Next, create a flavorful marinade. In a large bowl, mix half a cup of plain yogurt with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Add the chicken, ensuring each piece is well coated. Marinate for at least 30 minutes, or ideally, 2 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, carefully add the marinated chicken pieces in a single layer. Avoid overcrowding the pan. You might need to cook in 2 or 3 batches. Cook each batch for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, turning occasionally, until the chicken is beautifully browned and thoroughly cooked through, reaching an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. To enhance the flavor and create a delicious sauce, add about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth to the pan, scraping up any brown bits. This deglazing step adds incredible depth. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter until it melts and coats the chicken. Finish with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon, which brightens all the flavors. Finally, sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness and color. Your delicious homemade chicken tikka is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately while it's hot and tender. It pairs wonderfully with warm, soft naan bread, perfect for scooping up the flavorful chicken and pan juices. For a more complete meal, consider serving it alongside fluffy basmati rice or a crisp green salad. This versatile dish makes an excellent appetizer or a satisfying main course for any occasion. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.